of change and in a time of speed. A big thing came like a decade ago called the internet, and it changed everything, especially in China with so many new platforms popping up. So it's important to start learning, understanding the tools that are out there. Many companies come to me and ask, what's more important? Is it sales or is it branding? In China, you can never win with only the product and price. There is always one or even 10 or hundreds of players doing exactly the same products that you do to a better price. So the only way you can win long term is by having a brand connected to your company or your product. Half of us today have some kind of an ad blocking software downloaded to your devices. So for me, that's a pretty good indication that we don't like this format of being communicated with. So one way to overcome this is working with micro KOLs. They would never push something that is not in line with their own personality. Here, people voluntarily choose to follow a KOL. KOLs also comes as perfect tools as referring products or referring brands. You need to hear it from people that you trust or people that you can relate to. And we're listening to people that we don't even know, and they still have a huge effect on your purchasing decision. Back in the days, everything needed to be perfect. If it looks too good today, we don't believe it. So that's why user-generated content or influencer-generated content is becoming so vital for every marketing strategy. Community building. So that's what also these KOLs are good at, creating communities within their follower bases. Almost half of us now sitting here have bought a product that we have been directly influenced by a KOL. 70% prefer buying a product that's being pushed or endorsed by a KOL compared to a celebrity now. And 22% now also acknowledge that KOL marketing and micro KOL marketing is the most efficient form to acquire new clients.